Hey guys, we're up here at Palisades Dam. Gonna go take another little float down our local. We're gonna go take a float down the South Fork of the Snake River, my local hometown river. And today's purpose of the float is that I've got my oars lengthened out. I was running 9.5 foot oars for 2 seasons. I've lengthened them out to 10.5 feet, and we're gonna try and see if that makes any leverage difference. The math equations were showing that I should be running 10.5 feet instead of 9.5 feet. So we're gonna go try it out, and I'll show you how I've done that. I've taken my existing oars and I've counterbalanced them with the Cataract 4-pound counterweight. I've also moved my oar stops so that my hands are closer together, lengthening the distance between the oar lock and my hands so that I get more leverage inside the boat. Now let's move to the end of the oar. I just added a 1 foot extension right there and then kept the same blade. That's all that is. And so we're gonna go see how well that does. Stick along for the ride. Just wanted to get a close-up of the deck boards. This is the first trip with them, and you can see they're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. Getting that water beat it all up nice and good. Nothing's getting into the wood. First few thoughts on the first strokes with this new oar setup. That's a big difference, huge amount of leverage. And so when I get a big pile of gear in here, it's gonna make all the difference in the world. The counterbalance is perfect. There's no blade heaviness to it at all. Stick around. Today we're doing the dam, Palisades Dam, down to Conant Valley. And in this little splashy riffle, this thing's like in sport mode with these new oar setup. It's gonna be great. Hey, check this out, guys. This is something I could not do with those 9-foot oars. Really whippy, really snappy, almost over rowing. In fact, I have a couple times. Granted, it's not a loaded boat, but this thing is gonna work out so good. Check out this next riffle. Into the river to launch last, I think it was last February. Take a look at the difference in water level. Hey guys, all buttoned up here at Conant Valley Takeout, and kind of some final thoughts. are that the new oar length it's bomb proof. It's going to be a game changer for big heavy loads, long extended week-long trips, and I'm really glad I did it. Catch you later.